Welcome back to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm fixing the take ownership of this virtual machine error in VMware Workstation, a problem that usually shows up when VMware thinks your virtual machine is still running somewhere in the background. This normally happens after a crash or sudden shutdown, and the solution is straightforward. Next, open the folder where your virtual machine is stored. This is the same folder that contains your .vmx file. Inside this folder, you'll often find small files or folders ending with .lck, which include all the lock files that VMware creates to prevent the same VM from running twice. When VMware crashes or doesn't close properly, these lock files stay behind and cause the ownership error. All you need to do is delete those .lck files or folders. Don't touch anything else, just remove the lock files. After deleting the .lck items, launch VMware Workstation again and start your virtual machine. The error should disappear immediately because the VM is no longer locked. If you found this helpful, stick around for more easy and practical tutorials here on Tech Solutions.